Hi, my name is Neil Buren. I'm the product planner for the DCA platform at Keysight Technologies. This is the next in our video series introducing the new FlexOTO optical test optimization software. In this video, we'll use a few simple examples to show the ability of FlexOTO to quickly and easily explore trade-offs between capital expense and test throughput. We'll also highlight the ability to leverage your existing DCAM assets and increase their utilization. We'll compare three measurement system configurations. In each case, the device under test is an 800 gigabit Ethernet transceiver, 8 lanes at 100 gigabits per second each.
I'll drag that DUT onto the diagram and connect it to the switch. Now I'll bring on the DCAMs. The first configuration uses two N1092Bs, so I'll bring those onto the diagram and connect them to the switch.
This provides the highest throughput of the three configurations.
The second configuration uses one N1092B, so I'll pull one of the N1092Bs off the diagram. You can see how easy it is to change the configuration, just a quick drag and drop. This makes it easy to quickly assess different hardware configurations using FlexOTO.
This provides a balance between throughput and capital expense.
The third configuration uses one N1092A, so I'll pull the N1092B off the diagram and bring the N1092A on and connect it to the switch.
This is the most economical configuration from a capital expense perspective.
You can see how easy it is to configure and assess different hardware configurations using FlexOTO. This dialog makes it fast and easy to set up measurements that are conformant to the target standard and that are also optimized for throughput. Each lane of our device is 100 gigabit Ethernet, so I select 802.3 CD. I'll click on the Select All button to include the complete suite of FlexOTO measurements. FlexOTO will ensure all underlying measurement settings are conformant to the 802.3 CD standard. I'll click Add Lines and Close. You can see that the test program now includes a line for each lane, and each line includes all of these measurements. Now I'll define the power-only use case. The test program will only include average power and peak-to-peak power measurements. I'll just select average power and peak-to-peak power. You can see that each line of the new test program has just these two measurements. In many production test flows, there is a dedicated power tuning stage where only power measurements are made. These measurements don't require clock recovery or a large amount of data. FlexOTO configures the DCAs accordingly and executes the measurements extremely fast. Now I've completed setup of both test programs. I will be able to run both of these with each of the three hardware configurations. FlexOTO will automatically adapt execution to the hardware configuration. There is no need to make any changes to the test programs for the different hardware setups. Now, let's review the measurement throughput for each of the test programs and each of the hardware configurations. This table shows the measurement times for each of the measurement hardware configurations and each of the test program setups. As expected, the configuration with two N1092Bs provides the highest measurement throughput. However, the N1092A configuration is still quite fast, while requiring the lowest capital investment. The key point is that FlexOTO enables you to quickly make these assessments and ensures that you maximize the throughput of whichever capital investment you choose.
I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a summary of how FlexOTO can help you assess the trade-offs between capital expenses and test throughput. Thanks for watching.